Hello, and welcome to another installment in the Evolven How-To series. Today we're going to cover OS patch inconsistencies. My name is Dan Breslin, and today I'm performing the role of an IT operations analyst whose responsibility is to ensure the consistency and the stability of our production order entry system. Business has been good here at ABC Wow, and we're expecting another banner year of sales leading into the Christmas holidays. In particular, we need to ensure the high availability of our mission-critical order entry system in preparation for Black Friday. And we need to ensure the OS patch consistency across our expanded load-balanced front-end Windows web servers, as well as our back-end Unix production server, which has a DR failover. So let's turn to Evolven, and let's start with that Unix backend, and let's go to inventory. And here we have our Unix order entry servers, and we have our production server, and we're going to compare that to our DR server to ensure that patches are consistent between our prod and DR so that we get a positive DR failover test as well as a successful DR failover should we need to use it during our peak surge. So here we've created an analysis plan where our production Unix server is our source, and then we have our DR failover. So we're going to save and view this, and it's going to take us into the Analysis tab where we'll run a comparison plan that will expose their differences. And here we can see that we have 87 differences between prod and DR. So what we're going to do is break these down and expose any OS patch inconsistencies, and we can use the auto group feature here, or we can use IT actions. So here we see we have 6 patch inconsistencies where we have 6 patches that exist on our prod server and do not exist on our DR failover. They're missing from that one. So we'll go back and we'll fix these. And in the meantime, let's take a look at our Windows server, where we have an analysis plan to compare our 4 production Windows front-end web servers. And we have a source server and 3 targets. Here we see 180 differences. And in this case, let's break these down by IT actions. And our IT actions are telling us that we have 31 Windows updates that are different on this comparison test. We can see here that they're all high risk, and we can break them down to see what different CIs they are. And what we see are all the patches that are existing or missing from one of the servers. And here we can see we have a patch here that's missing on 3 of the servers, but it exists on this new 6th server that we've added. And we can see pretty consistently that all 31 of these differences are differences between server 6 and the other 3 servers. Now we may want to take a broader look here and say to ourselves, all right, since we have patches that exist on this new server, maybe we want to see if these patches exist on other servers. It's missing from our source and these other 2 servers, but it exists on server 6. So let's run a benchmark on this particular patch, and we can see here for patch KB2984981, we're benchmarking this across our entire enterprise to see where else that patch exists. And here we can see we have 8 other servers where that patch exists, and we may in fact, we see that of course one of those is our 6th server, and we may want to actually expand all of our other servers in our 4 load balanced front-end servers to include those patches that are missing that exist on server 6. We also see an update configuration difference here. And what this is exposing is that our automatic Windows update setting is different between our 4 different servers, which certainly may lead to contributing to patch inconsistencies across our servers. So we want to make sure that that setting is the same, whether it's automatic update or manual updates or no patch updates at all, that is consistent across all 4 of our web servers. Now in this particular case, I'm not going to resolve these problems. I'm going to dish this off to someone else by sending them a report that's exposing these differences. And when I run that, I get this particular report here that's showing our inconsistencies between our load balance servers. And here we can see each of our 4 servers and what patches are missing and exist on each of them. We can send this off and delegate the remedy of this particular inconsistency to another person. So as we go back and take a look here, we can see all our goals are achieved. We're able to expose patch inconsistencies in our Windows front-end load balanced environment, as well as our Unix back-end prod versus DR server. Hope this is helpful. Thank you very much.